I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great. Today I'm participating in week 21 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a window, a door. So I've got this house, something stenciled. Actually, my page is already stenciled. It's one of my painted papers that I put in this journal. Blue ink. I've got assorted blue inks, not sure which one I'll use. Musical instrument, I've got this. Postage stamp, I've got a couple of postage stamps, not sure which one I'll use. And our bonus is brown or craft paper. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Please be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP21. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here it is. And I've got my windows and door, something stenciled, and I just outlined it with blue so that it you could see it. I was trying to bring the blue page over to the green page and trying to make it cohesive. Blue ink, I've got that where I outlined and I stamped with blue ink and I inked with blue ink, or distressed inked with blue ink. A musical instrument, I swapped out the tuba for a violin, and I was looking for something green, and that's when I found the violin, and I just thought it went so much better. A postage stamp, I've got 2 of those, and the bonus is brown or craft paper, and I made just a little paper ruffle with the craft paper and inked it up as well. And I've got a little pocket for my prompts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I like it. It's a little busy. It's not my favorite, but it's probably not my least favorite. I love this. This, not so much. But it can't all be winners. So be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP21 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great, wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.